Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can scan your Snapchat code or your friend's Snapchat code, alright? So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, after opening your Snapchat, you want to click on this icon, this chat looking icon over here. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. Once you're in this page, at the top you can see a person with a plus icon right beside it. That's the icon to search for friends. So click on that. Once you do that, this thing will open up. And over there at the top you can see the search bar. Right beside the search bar you can see the Snapchat icon right inside the box, right? If you can see it, then just click on it. Once you do that, click on allow access to all photos. So for you it might not ask this permission, but if it does, just click on allow access to all photos. And once you do that, from the gallery, make sure you choose your Snapchat's, code. So if your friend has sent you a snap code, make sure you screenshot it and save it in your gallery. And once you open up your gallery like this, you should see the snap code. Once you see the snap code, just click on it and Snapchat will scan it like this. Once it scans it, if it is a correct snap code, it's going to find the friend which the snap code is connected with and you can add them. So yeah, that's how you guys can scan Snapchat snap code. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.